This is Mallard, and this is the Mallard, the world's fastest steam locomotive, and one of the world's most famous, but this would not have been possible had it not been for a mistake made in testing. Mallard wasn't totally unique though. It was one of a class of 35, designed by bird obsessive Sir Nigel Gresley, built from 1935 to 1938. Design was a straight development of Gresleys 1920 A1 class Pacifics, which were later modified as a souped-up version called the A3s in it, bruv. They weren't the first British Pacific design, but they were the first to be successful. This class also broke records, and one member, the Flying Scotsman, is said to be the world's most famous locomotive. The A4s are distinctive on the outside from their predecessors and rivals, as they were built with streamlined casing to aid speed by cutting wind resistance. Unlike other locomotives that received this treatment just to show off, Gresley studied streamlining to find the most effective methods at cutting wind resistance, performing wind tunnel tests on models and working with the likes of Mr. Bugatti. The first members of the class had standard single chimneys with a regular blast pipe arrangement. The blast pipe sucks, which pulls air and heat through the boiler to aid efficiency.
Gresley decided to fit a banging new exhaust to his A4s to impress the guys round Sainsbury's car park.
This was called a Kyle Chap exhaust, a more advanced blast pipe and chimney arrangement with two ports in the chimney rather than the common one, known as a double chimney. There was, however, an issue with this. The smoke from this chimney would block the driver's view, as it didn't lift clear in the same way a simple exhaust system did. As such, Gresley needed to find a way of deflecting this issue somewhere else. The most common method was big side plates on the smoke box, known as smoke deflectors, but this would affect the streamlining and make it look ugly. But the answers came in the form of a mistake. In the wind tunnel testing, plasticine models were used. These could be modified easily. The team tested different methods of lifting smoke in the tunnel with a smoke machine pumping up through the chimney. One careless twonk left a fingerprint on the backside of this chimney model by mistake. However, he managed to avoid getting in trouble because all of a sudden the smoke lifted and a solution had been found by the simplest of mistakes. So Gresleys Mallard was built with a giant fingerprint on the back of the chimney, and being the most advanced of its type, was named after Gresley's favourite bird, known for its great speed. And so it was chosen for the record-breaking run that secured it and its class into the history books as the world's fastest steam locomotives. Plus the driver could see where he was going as well.